My name is Juanito, and this is my sister.
Gummy.
And today we're going to show you how to make a sandwich. The ingredients you will need. First, you will need bread, mayo. You will need some ham, American cheese, jalapenos, avocado, and queso fresco.
Cheese.
This is tomato, and this is lettuce. Okay, make sure your hands are already washed before you start building your sandwich. Okay, so first we're gonna put
Mayonnaise. Only a little
We
bit.
like to put a little bit on both sides. Here you go. Okay, now after we're done putting the mayonnaise, we like to put the ham next. And because the ham we get is long, we fold it and then we put another one. Because when we fold it, it's still short. So we like to put two. Here. Can you help? Okay, now that we have put our ham on, now we will now put the American cheese. There. And once that's done, you'll grab the lettuce, and if it's too big, you could carefully break it in half and put some. There you go. Okay. Now that that's done, we add 2 or 3 tomatoes.
Or 4.
The whole thing or you slice it?
We add it, we cut it up in slices.
Make sure your parents are helping you.
Make sure your parents are helping you on that part. Or trusted an adult. Now that we have put the tomatoes, now we'll put some avocado.
And my mom will be cooking it. I will be helping you.
And my mom will be helping me.
And I'm done.
No.
And Camila's done because she doesn't like avocados and she doesn't like, you don't like queso fresco, Camila?
And my sister is now done because she doesn't like jalapenos, avocado, or queso fresco.
Cheese.
Okay.
Queso fresco.
Now, my mom will be helping me cut up the queso fresco.
This is how they put it on. It's cheese.
And this is how it looks like.
Now,
I break it in a little piece. And then after that, I will now put the jalapenos on.
Tastes like a pickle. Spicy pickle.
And it tastes kind of like a pickle, but it's just spicy. A little bit. Thank you for watching, and comment down below what you like to put in your sandwiches. Bye.